Hello there, it's Teagan, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas ornament for your tree out of a cereal box. Yes, very, very fun. Alright, so what you're going to need a cereal box, some scissors, some sort of string, some glue, and some glitter. I also used a jar and a pencil to trace my circle, and yeah, that's about it. So let me show you how to do it. Alright, so the first thing we need to do to make an ornament out of cardboard is to cut our cardboard. So to do that, I'm going to use a pair of scissors. I'm just going to trace a circle with a pencil and a jar. And I have a piece of cardboard from this is a cracker box. You could use cereal boxes, anything really. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to trace my circle. I'm not too worried about having a perfect circle. If you were, there's other ways you could do this. But this is what I'm doing. Another way to get a circle if you don't have a jar. This jar is about 2.5 inches across. But if you wanted a specific size, you could cut size a piece of string, put a pencil down, or tack it down in the middle, and then with a pencil tie around. That did not make sense. But there's other ways to get circles, is what I'm saying. So I'm going to cut out my circle now with my paper scissors. Not rocket science. If you're going to do a lot, obviously you're going to want to cut more than trace and cut. Trace a lot and then cut. Because, you know, time. It's a valuable thing. And you can see I'm not actually... I'm using the line more of a suggestion. You can use the line more as a exact thing if you want. So I have a circle. And now, like these ones I've already cut, I'm going to cut just halfway through. I'm not even measuring. I'm just going to cut. You could measure if you wanted. I'm not going to. There we go. I have a circle with a slit halfway through it. Yep. So once you have some of those going on, the next step, or what I like to do at this point, is I'm going to tie the string on, because that's kind of what keeps it all together into the shape. So like this one is not painted. It has glitter, but it's not painted. This one I painted first and then put on some glitter. If you wanted to paint, this would be the time to do it. I kind of like the look, like you're upcycling, right? Like, I kind of like the look of seeing what this box was originally. But certainly, there may be reasons you don't. Or don't want to do that. Also, this would be a great thing to do with Christmas cards, or if you wanted it to be pretty too, you could always you could always glue on wrapping paper that you like or something too, or scrapbooking paper, I guess, I don't know. So, but I'm gonna keep the kind of fun upcycled look going on with mine. And so it's gonna take two, and you can see here too, like this side is just brown. It's not like every facet of this ornament is showing its original origins. So I'm going to pick two of these out, pick out those two, and all you do is to take them and put them together like this. Push them a little bit, and there you go. You have an ornament. So, here, just a second. Sorry about the sound situation. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie, I'm going to use ribbon. You could use any type of string that you want. Just depends on what you want it to look like. I have plenty of ribbon. I decided to do that. You could use embroidery floss, yarn, baker's twine, jute, twine, whatever. So what I'm going to do, I'm not even going to cut it first. I'm going to keep it on the spool. going to keep as much as I want for a tail off the top and just take that and hold it at the top. Then I'm going to go, so I'm going to hold that at the top, take this all the way down to the bottom. So now I just have it across one side. I'm going to flip it over, keep holding my tail side, holding that pretty firmly. Taking this, I'm going to bring that over, and then now I'm holding both. You can see now it's just going like this across. So what I'm going to do at this point, I'm trying to keep this shape a little bit, right? I'm going to twist this, and then I'm going to go down the side, one of the sides I haven't gone down yet, the side that doesn't have any ribbon yet, going down that, and then I'm going to cross over and go on the other side. And now I have ribbon on all facets of my ornament here. You can see that. And so now I'm going to tie a knot just at the top here. So I'm going to double knot. I don't want it to come undone. Then I'm going to kind of adjust here and get it lined up the way I want it lined up. So the string can help you keep it all sorted. There we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and trim off my ribbon. Tie this closed so I have a loop to hang it on the tree with. So obviously you wouldn't even have to do glitter, right? You could just put this up like Upcycled Christmas, whatever your look is you want. I don't love glitter, but I do like some shimmer around the holidays. Thought it was kind of a fun way to dress up these cereal boxes and cracker boxes. So I'm going to show you how I did that. And yeah. So here I have, this is just some white glue. And then I have some glitter and a spoon. So this is not complicated. Essentially, I'm going to paint on my glue. I'm going to paint on my glue with my paintbrush. Then I'm going to sprinkle over my glitter container with my spoon on my glitter. This is just white iridescent glitter, pretty inexpensive glitter. There's a lot of different types of glitter out there. I kept it kind of basic, based on what I wanted. So the iridescent is nice because, or it's kind of fun, I think, because you can see like the cereal box through there, but it's still sparkly. Okay, so here we go. Let me do this. I'm just trying to keep this all in place. Here we go. So, got a good layer of glue. Gonna get some of my glitter. And we're just sprinkling it on. It's okay if you put way too much because you're just gonna dump it right into this bowl or container. Ta-da! Frosty! So, now I'm just going to move on to the next side. Do prepare yourself that you are going to have some glitter on your hands. It's just going to be, anytime you work with glitter, just prepare yourself that it's going to go places that maybe you don't want it to go. Which is one of the reasons maybe I don't love glitter. Always. So, there we go. Nice layer of glue, and you can see like the difference between like the brown back of the box and the printed side. Like it is beating up a bit here, so you want to work a little bit quickly. The glue will, or once you get glitter on, it won't be as obvious. See, as careful as you can be, but there's only so much you can control with glitter. So there you go. You just keep going until you have your whole ornament covered, all 4 facets, sides. There you go. And then you would just put it someplace to dry, and once it's dry, if you need to adjust the shape more, you can. There you have it. A lovely ornament for your Christmas tree. All right. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Very straightforward. You can do it with a variety of shapes, not just circles. A lot of geometric shapes would be fun. You could do it with old Christmas cards if you have them. You can do it, there's just endless possibilities, but it's a great project. Especially it would be fun to do with kids if you have the patience to do glitter with kids. And it's easy and cute and fun. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching.